Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add trusted payment icon right below the add to cart button in your Shopify store. It's super easy and builds customer trust fast. Let's get started. First of all, from your Shopify admin dashboard, head over to the online store, then themes, and click the customize button for your active theme. Now use the page selector at the top to open the product page template where you add to cart button lives that. Look for the section that controls the product information. Usually it's named something like product information or product form. If your theme allows, click add block. And select custom liquid. Or custom HTML. Select add section. Or go back and again click customize. In the footer section, click custom liquid. Inside the custom liquid blocks, paste this simple code to display your payments icon, or you can use ChatGPT for that. Just go to ChatGPT and write a little custom liquid code for payment icon. In Shopify. Then copy the code from ChatGPT and select all and paste here. Now you just remove this icon section and add your image, name and location. This can automatically pulls in Shopify's trusted payment icons based on your payment settings like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and more. Like that. Visa, MasterCard, PayPal. Just add icon from here. Make sure you drag this block right under the add to cart button. That way the payment icons show up exactly where you want them. And don't forget, click save to apply the changes to your live store. Want to control which icons show up? Go to settings, then payments, and manage the payment methods you offer. The icon update automatically based on what you have enabled. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.